The Home Renovation Savings Program is a recent program that allows homeowners to claim rebates for energy efficiency improvements such as attic insulation, windows and doors, wall insulation, main and second level, basement insulation, basement slab insulation, as well as heat pump electric water heaters. Generally speaking, you want to do an energy assessment because there's room for improvement, saving energy, being more efficient, and being more comfortable. We do try to make it as easy as possible for homeowners to have the assessment done and to take part in the rebate programs. The average energy assessment takes about 2 hours on site. You can think of it like a checkup for yourself that you'd be doing with your doctor. First, we start from outside, taking pictures and measurements of the outside of the house. Then I generally come inside the house, start in the basement, take a inventory of the type of insulation that's in the basement, the type of mechanicals, water heater and heating system, any fireplaces. We check the attic. Then I take the homeowner through a tour around the house to check for and look for drafty areas that can make recommendations for improvements. The report shows the recommendations for all the improvements that the Registered Energy Advisor makes to help make the home more energy efficient. And typically the homeowner will receive an updated one after the post-renovation assessment to show them the improvement that has been made. So when a homeowner enrolls in the Home Renovation Savings Program and they perform 2 qualifying upgrades, they can also receive $600 in energy audit fee reimbursement. Best thing about my job is helping people make their homes more comfortable and more energy efficient.